Sliders are a fantastic way to showcase content on your website, and with a touch of creativity, you can make them truly stand out. You're building this dynamic image slider that not only looks great, but also engages your website visitor. You can easily customize this to showcase your own images. Users love control. We'll implement navigation controls, including left and right sliding using touch and mouse clicks. We'll break down each function to help you understand how the slider handles user interactions, animations, and automatic sliding. We'll be using a fast and feature-rich JavaScript library to simplify the development process, jQuery. Alright, let's make your website shine with this fantastic image slider. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's create something amazing together. Plus, I have added contact information in the description so we can discuss. Start by creating a basic HTML structure. In the head section, write title of your choice, HD, image slider. Now, create a link to your CSS style sheet with HTTPs. fonts.jquery.com, CSS, family open sans, 800,900 rel style sheet, and type text, CSS is. And just like this, with rel style sheet and ref style CSS. In this way also, create a div with class container. Create a div with class slider. And create a UL with class navy. In this way also, with data target, right and class, side nav, right. With data target, left and class side nav, left. Next, create a script with src, https, cdnjs, cloudflare.com, ajax, lips, jQuery, 3.0 jQuery, min.js. In the same manner, with src, script.js, document.ready function, const is equal to dot container, const slider is equal to dot slider, init test, const nav is equal to dot navy, const window is equal to window.width, const animspd is equal to 750, change also in CSS. Const dist of letGo is equal to win_w0.2. Let curse slide is equal to 1. Let animation is equal to false. Let auto scroll var is equal to true. Let diff is equal to 0. Generating slides. Let rcities is equal to paneer, tikka biryani, butter chicken. Change number of slides in CSS also. Let num of cities is equal to rcities.length. Let rcities divided is equal to rcities.mapCity is equal to. Let length is equal to city.length. Let letters is equal to math.flowLength 2. Let xp is equal to new reg exp dot 1 plus letters plus g. Rcities divided dot push city.match expect. Let generate slide is equal to function city. Let fragone is equal to document dot create document fragment. Let frag2 is equal to document dot create document fragment. Const num slide is equal to our cities dot index of our city's city plus 1. Const first letter is equal to our cities divided city 0 dot char at 0 new. Const slide is equal to div data target is equal to num slide class is equal to slide num slide. Div class is equal to slide dark bbg slide num slide dark bg div. Div class is equal to slide text wrapper slide num slide text wrapper div wool. Div and is seed and then underscore math hitate. Const letter is equal to div class is equal to slide letter slide num slide letter. First letter. Divine determine. For letter is equal to 0 length is equal to r cities divided city dot length I plus plus. Const text is equal to div class is equal to slide text I plus 1. Our cities divided city I one added in pies or did by cities divided city. Divided in yale delvadrat hill. Addiset dot the made. Fragone dot append text. Const nav slide is equal to lead data target is equal to num slide class is equal to nav slide num slide live. Frag dot append nav slide nav dot append frag2 slide dot find dot slide num slide text wrapper dot append letter dot append fragone. Slider dot append slide. If our city's city dot length is equal to 2 dot slide plus num slide dot find dot slide text dot CSS font size 12v. For let I is equal to 0 length is equal to num of cities I length I plus plus. Generated slide is and in organized dot nav slide 1 dot add class nav active. Navigation function bullets tier dot nav slide plus cur slide dot remove class nav active. Dot nav slide plus tier dot add class nav active. Function timeout. Animation is equal to false. Function pagination direction. Animation is equal to true. Diff is equal to 0. Slider dot add class animation. Slider dot CSS. Transform translated thread plus cur slide direction 100 plus 00. Slider dot find dot slide darkbg dot CSS. Transform translate a thread plus cur slide direction 50 plus 00. Slider dot find dot slide letter dot CSS. Transform translated thread 000. Slider dot find dot slide text dot CSS. Transform translated thread 000. Function navigate right. Read. If auto scroll var return. If cur slide is equal to num of cities return. Pagination 0 on. Set timeout NMSPD. Bullets cur slide plus 1. Cur slide plus close. Function navigate left. If cur slide is equal to 1 return. Pagination 2. Set timeout NMSPD. Bullets cur slide 1. Cur slide. Function to default. Pagination 1. Set timeout NMSPD. Events view. Document dot on mouse down touch start dot slide function air. If animation return. Let target is equal to plus this dot atr dot target. Let start x is equal to e dot page x e dot original event dot touches 0 dot page x. Slider dot remove class animation. Document dot on mouse move touch move functionality. Let x is equal to e dot page x e dot original event dot touches 0 dot page x. Diff is equal to start xxin. If target equal to is equal to 1 diff 0 target equal to is equal to num of cities diff 0 return. Slider.css. Transform translated thread plus cur slide 100 plus diff 30 plus 00. Slider dot find dot slide darkbg dot CSS. Transform translated thread plus cur slide 150 plus diff 60 plus 00. Slider.find.slide-letter.css. Transform translate read plus diff 60 plus vw 00. Slider.find.slide text.css. Transform translate read plus diff 15 plus px 00. Document dot on mouse touching function air. Document dot of mouse move touch move a. If animation return. If diff is equal to dist of let go. Navigate right. Else if diff is equal to dist of let go. Navigate left. Else A. To default. Document dot on click dot nav slide not dot nav active function. Let target is equal to plus this dot attr data target. Bullets target at. Cur slide is equal to targeted. Pagination 1. Document dot on click dot side nav function. Let target is equal to this dot attr target. If target equal to is equal to right, navigate right. If target equal to is equal to left, navigate left. Document dot on key down function A. If E dot which equal to is equal to 39, navigate right. If E dot which equal to is equal to 37, navigate left. Document dot on mouse wheel mouse scroll function E. If animation return. Let delta is equal to E dot original event dot wheel delta. If delta 0 E dot original event dot detail 0, navigate left. If delta 0 E dot original event dot detail 0, navigate right. Dot container. Position relative. Height 100 for charts. Overflow hidden. Dot slider ng. In on enter. Just say position relative. Height 100. Transform translated read 000. Will change transform. Cursor all scroll. WebKit user select none. Merge you select none insert seat. Miss user select none. User select none. Then self anattiken yokode state. Dot slider. Dot animation. Transition. Transform 715 Cs in out. Dot slider dot animation. Dot slide dark bj. Transition. Transform 715 Cs in out. Dot slider dot animation dot slide text. Transition. Transform 715 Cs in out. Dot slider dot animation dot slide letter. Transition. Transform 715 Cs in out. Dot slide. Position absolute. Top 0. Width 100. Height 100. Overflow hidden. Dot slide 1. Left 0. Dot slide 2. Left 100. Dot slide 3. Left 200. Dot slide dark bj. Position absolute. Width 100. Height 100. Top 0. Left 0. Transform translated thread 0000. Will change transform. J index 10. Dot slide text wrapper. Position absolute. Display flex. Justify content center. Align items center. Width 100. Height 100. C index 15. Dot slide letter. Position absolute. Display flex. Align items center. Justify content center. Top 0. Left 0. Width 100. Height 100. Transform translated thread 000. WebKit text. Fill color transparent important. WebKit background clip text important. Font size 50W. Font weight 900. Color 0. Z index 1. Will change transform. WebKit user select none. Most user select none. Sick. Miss user select none. User select none. Dot slide text. Font size Nineveh video. Font weight 800. Text transform uppercase. Transform translated thread 000. Letter spacing 12 pixels. Color FAFF. Will change transform. WebKit user select none. Most user select none. Miss user select none. User select none. Dot slide text child OD. Z index 2. Dot slide text child even. Z index 2. Dot slide 1 dark BBG. Left 0. Background URL imgone.jpg. Center no repeat. Background size cover. Background position. 0 center. 0 center setup center. Transform translated thread 000. Will change transform. Dot slide 1 dot bdg after. Content. Position absolute. Top 0. Left 0. Width 100 bdsante. 190 pc. Height 100. Background color RGBA 39 1511.62. Dot slide 1 letter. Background URL imgone.jpg. Center no repeat. Background position 0 center. 0 center. Background size cover. Dot slide 2 dark bg. Left 50. Background URL imj2. Dot jpg center no repeated. Background size cover. Background position 0 center. 0 center. Transform translated thread 000. Will change transform. Dot slide 2 dark bbg after. Content. Position absolute. Top 0. Left 0. Width 100. Height 100. Background color RGBA 39 1511 0.62. Dot slide 2 letter. Background URI imj2. Dot jpg. Center no repeat. Background position 0 center. 0 center. Background size cover. Dot slide 3 dark bg. Left 100. Background URI imd3. Dot jpg center no repeat is center no repeat. Background size cover. Background position 0 center. 0 center. Transform translated thread 000. Will change transform. Dot slide 3 dark bg after. Content. Position absolute. Top 0. Left 0. Width 100. 100. 178. 1.4. Height 100. Background color RGBA 39 1511.62. Dot slide 3 letter. Background URL imd3. Dot jpg center no repeat. Background position 0 center. 0 center. Background size cover. Dot nav. Position absolute. Bottom 25 px. Left 50. Transform translate x50. List style type none mu. Z index 10. Nav slide. Position relative. Display inline block. Width 28 px. Height 28 px. Border radius 50. Border 10 px solid ff. Margin left 10 px. Cursor pointer. Media screen and max width 400 px. Nav slide. Width 22 px. Height 22 px. Nav slide hover after. Transform translate 50-50 scale 1:1. Opacity 1. Nav slide after. Content. Position absolute. Top 50. Left 50. Transform translate 50-50 scale 0:0. Width 75. Height 75. Border radius 50. Background color FF. Opacity 0. Transition 300 mems. Nav slide 1. Margin left 0. Nav active after. Transform translate 50-50 scale 1:1. Opacity 1. Side nav. Position absolute. Width 10 and height 100. Top 0. Z-index 20. Cursor pointer. Opacity 0. Transition 300 ms. Side nav hover. Opacity 0.1. Side nav right. Right 0. Background image linear gradient to right RGBA 255, 255, 255 0 E7 FD 100. Side nav left. Left 0. Background image linear gradient to left RGBA 255, 255 0 E7 AFA 100. HTML box sizing border box. Nilhediuntai dash accident is die is a font family open sans serif. Before after. Box sizing inherit. Margin 0. Padding 0. Body. Background color 0. Overflow hidden.